Gudok. Gudok is a traditional Tripuri cuisine. Cut and boil 4 to 5 potatoes into big pieces and give 8 to 10 chilies on it. Now give salt. Boil up to 2 whistles. Cut 2 tomatoes and give it. Give 4 to 5 dry fishes. Let it boil and mix it well. After 15 to 20 minutes of boiling with continuous stirring, you will get this. Now your dish is almost ready. Put onions on it. Give coriander on it. Eat with boiled rice. Tripuri people usually eat oilless healthy dishes. Godokh is one of them.